Hello, fellow traders. Hope you're doing fine today. We are going to see and review another broker, and we are going to start, as always, by if this broker is regulated or not. So we're gonna see how is it this broker Forex.com is regulated. You can see here it's regulated by many countries and many supervisor bodies. Okay, in United States there is the NFA and CFTC. United Kingdom there is the FCA. Australia there is the ASIC, and in Japan regulated by FSA. In Canada regulated by the Investment Industry Regulatory Organization of Canada, and also in Cayman Island by the SEMA, also in Hong Kong by the SFC, also in Singapore by the MAS. There is 8 countries that regulate this broker, which is really good for us as traders to make sure that our money in a safe place. Now let's jump to the range of market used in this or used by this broker. We're gonna start by Forex, and we're gonna see all the currencies that's tradable in this broker, and you can see this is a vast gamut of currencies you can trade. GBP, Australian, uh, or USD. There is many currencies or pair of currencies that you can trade this broker. We're gonna see also, and this is uh there is a lot, and this is two. There is the US 13 or the Dow Jones, the SP 500, the UK 100, the Nikkei of Japan, the German DAX, France 14, China 15, and Australia 200, and there is more: Italy, Netherlands, all the well-known indices in the world. Also, you can trade with this broker shares of a lot of companies around the world, and most of them from big countries or big. Okay, you can trade shares um, like Adidas, Adobe, Advanced Micro Devices, Alphabet, which is Google, Amazon, American Express, Apple, Baidu, Bank of America. You can find eBay, Facebook, Ford Motors, HP, IBM, Intel Corp, JP Morgan Chase. Can find Netflix, can find PayPal, can find Walmart, Walt Disney, Xiaomi, Tesla Motors, any company that you think about, it's here and you can trade it. There's also commodities. You can trade commodities futures or spot commodities or metal. In commodities futures, you can trade UK crude oil or US crude oil, coffee, corn, cotton, heat oil, anything you think about, and there is a lot more than that. Natural gas, and also there is spot commodities, uh, crude oil, of course, spot coffee, spot sugar, spot cotton. There is also metal, which is you can trade gold, uh, X or USD. You can trade gold, of course, in metal. You can trade platinum, palladium, anything. And there is also more: copper and anything you want to trade or you would like to trade. There's also cryptocurrencies which contain Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Ripple, Bitcoin, Ethereum, anything you would like to trade. Now, fellow traders, we're going to see which platform are used by this broker. As you can see, there are a lot of platforms, including Forex.com platforms, where you can find web trading, mobile trading, and desktop trading. All these platforms are made by this broker, which is a custom made software that you can use to trade. Or if you are familiar with the MetaTrader, you can use MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4. You can use VPS hosting, MetaTrader for mobile, and MetaTrader for web also. Also, you can download them in this website. If you have Windows, also you can download an app store for if you have an iPhone or iPad or whatever Apple product you have. You can download for Android too if you are using your mobile to trade or make or to execute trades. Also, Forex.com offers a gamut of education to learn about more about trading, which there is how to manage risk, technical analysis, fundamental analysis, trading strategies. Also, there are courses for beginner, intermediate, advanced, uh, which you can um, learn from them some skills, some strategies, uh, and anything to start your journey in forex trading. That's all, folks. If you have any questions, comment below. See you on the next.